はい、それでは皆さん、before we wrap up with chapter 5, there are a couple more small grammar points that I'd like to introduce. Let's take a look at the first one. Let's look at this situation. So it's getting kind of late. I might say to my coworker, 帰りましょう。帰りましょう。Or, I'm on a date.I take a look and see that there's a movie I want to see at the local theater. I might say to my date, 映画を見ましょう。映画を見ましょう。So, 帰りましょう。映画を見ましょう。This is our new form, ましょう。We use it to make a suggestion for something to do.So the meaning of ましょう, we suggest doing something together. So it's sort of like, let's do this. So let's go home. Let's go see a movie. How about this one down here? What are we inviting our friend to do? ビールを飲みましょう。ビールを飲みましょう。Let's have a beer.How about the second one? What are we inviting everyone to do? ここで食べましょう。ここで食べましょう。Let's eat here. So this ましょう, all we have to do is take the ます form that we already have and change it to ましょう。We can also use this ましょう in one other way.So for example, 写真を撮りましょうか？写真を撮りましょうか？ Shall we take a picture? Or, 今日、レストランに行きましょうか？今日、レストランに行きましょうか？ Shall we go to a restaurant?So we are using this ましょうか to make an invitation. So this is the same kind of structure. We just changed the ます to ましょうか. So this is an invitation, kind of like the ませんか that we talked about back in chapter 3. But it's a little bit different because this ましょうかwe usually use when we have a context where we're going to spend time together kind of already set up. So we usually have like some sort of reason that we're making this suggestion, that we're seeking the person's feedback from. So if we were to like walk up to somebody and be like, 一緒に映画を見ましょうか? Like, it would be a little bit aggressive, like maybe a little bit too presumptuous, because we haven't already decided that we're gonna hang out. We tend to use this ましょうか more like when we're kind of hashing out the details. So we already decided that we're going to get together and hang out, and now we're deciding, like, oh, should we see a movie? Should we go out to eat? Should we meet at 4 o'clock? Shall we meet at your house? Should we meet at my house?That's kind of the place where we use ましょうか. So, for example, 寒いですね。お茶を飲みましょうか? So, we're already kind of hanging out, and I'm making a suggestion based on what's going on. It's cold, so shall we have some tea? And so B can answer with, そうしましょう. そうしましょう meaning, let's do that. Or,we are waiting and waiting for a taxi, and one doesn't seem to be coming. It seems like there's way too long a line, so maybe we should just ride the bus. バスに乗りましょうか? So it's already decided that we're going somewhere. I'm just figuring out the details of how we're going to get there. バスに乗りましょうか? Shall we ride the bus?So this is how we can use ましょうか to make some suggestions about what we're going to do. Take a look at the exercises below and practice using it.